5 Sweetpeas. Today we're going to do some really minimal work abstract nails, meaning there's not much to be done here, and it's a really fun kind of manicure you can do with many different color combos. Here's a look at the exact manicure we're doing, and I am using 4 of the new China Glaze shades. So let's talk about those first. So this one is called Darlin. Then this one is No Holds Barb. The next one is called Chill in Symphonyville, and this one I didn't love in my review, but I like using it for art. And then this one is Can't Stop Branchin. So let's jump right in. So of course you want to put on your choice of base coat, and then I'm going to be using a kind of sheer perfector color. This is Zoya's Bela, but you could use any type of French manicure base that's like a milky polish that perfects your nail. I did about 3 coats because I wanted more of a milky look than the super sheer look, and I was pretty content with that. Then I went in with No Holds Barb and did 1 stroke of it down at the side. This has a really nice kind of jelly texture. And then the next shade I'm using is called Can't Stop Branchin, and I'm doing like a super dry brush method, and I'm pulling it up from the tip of my nail kind of over to the side, as you guys can see. And I don't want a ton of that on there, so that's why I did a super dry brush. Then I used Darlin and put a little squiggle on the side of my nail. And then I put a little splash of the Chill in a Symphonyville, which is a very translucent shade, so it kind of creates a neat kind of multiply burn look on top of the red shade, which I thought was neat. And then I added some 2 dot clusters of 2 dots here and there and kind of just filled in the negative space. Then I chose to put on a matte top coat, and this was my final look. So super easy, minimally work needed. All you needed was the the brushes on the polishes and a dotting tool, and it was just really simple. And you can use any 4 shades and do this plus white, and I really liked it. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little random nail art video. I have a few more coming for you in the upcoming days, so I can't wait to share more with you guys. I hope you're having a really nice weekend, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye!